What started as a simple warrant arrest quickly turned into a tense standoff. Officers arrive to find a woman refusing to come out of her home, and what happens next is both chaotic and unexpected.
A warrant!
You want lighter?
Huh? Step outside! Your keys are out here. Here, I'll give them to you. You want your keys or no? I'm not lying to you. You can go and get it over with. You got a bond.
You're demonic.
What's that?
You're demonic.
I'm what?
You're a rapist.
Okay. Send me another. Ebony, come out. You got a warrant. Ma'am, who is she related to you? Okay, she has a warrant. I don't know why she has to act like this every time. I mean, we're gonna boot the door. Hey, we're gonna boot your door. Do you want to try to call her and just try to tell her before we kick her door in?
Are you family to Ebony?
She's a cousin. She's trying to call her, tell her, but
Have her come out. We're gonna go in there and grab her. I don't want her to get hurt, okay? I'm gonna watch it back till we get somebody.
she's right here behind the pane glass.
Oh, okay.
She's videoing and doing everything else. She was standing right here, and I jumped out and was like, Ebony.
Just keep it on her. I don't want her running out of the back.
Ebony, coming out. You got a warrant.
I was just going to take her to the store to get some food.
Oh, no. Have Shepard take the back.
I can't see her now, but hey, go out back. There's like it's like 10 by not even. Were you coming here to get her?
Yeah, she
I
was.
was going to take her to the pet store. I didn't know this was going on. I got here.
I think we just randomly saw her. She's got warrants she's got to deal with.
I think she doesn't believe she does, but she does.
Is her keys there?
So she had them in the door, and she slammed the door. And when I was talking to her and trying to keep eyes, she opened the door, took them out, and slammed the door again. So.
Okay. I don't want to break her door. She's got like a couple minutes. I don't want to shatter her front door glass, but we'll take that side door.
She can't get a hold of her?
She's trying. Do you know the code to get her house so I don't have to break the door? Okay.
She could tell her that she could just come out. She has a bond. It's like, I'm pretty sure it's she has 2 warrants. I'm pretty sure they're $1,000 bond each. She could bond out in an hour. Instead of breaking her door, her getting another charge, and having to sit on her warrants, like she could just answer the door, go get it over with, and be out. Sorry you had to get drug into this, but.
I'm just trying to help you. They're going to break the door. Okay?
Tell her you'll bond her out.
She's trying to help me.
I just don't want her front door to get jacked up. And if I do take the side window, I just want to be able to get my hand in there and unlock the front door.
Yeah.
Glass is gonna go everywhere.
Can anybody hear her? Is that only Shepard and the side that he's at?
She's in there. She was standing right here when I pulled up. And she was standing right here. I pulled up. I was like, Ebony, come here. And then she turned and ran right to the door. And I said, Ebony, you got a warrant.
We're gonna try to go in.
With a lock like that?
I'm not gonna cut my arm.
Ebony, Sheriff's Office, open the door. It's your last chance. You got 2 warrants. Open the door.
Back away from the door! Back away!
You just hit me with my door.
Back away from the door!
Get on the ground. Turn around. Turn around.
My hands are up.
Turn around.
You just hit me with the door.
Turn around.
What do you want?
Turn around.
Wait. It's okay. I got her.
What the f is this shit?
You have 2 warrants, Ebony, okay?
I don't have a warrant. Y'all just broke in my house.
Okay. well,
Ma'am,
what-
could you please take me away? Because so
Yes,
these people can stop holding me. They're rapists.
You got a warrant.
They are rapists.
Let's get a shirt.
They are rapists. Because they want to put me with they stink ass sugar babies. Look at them. That's the first one that came to my house.
Yeah.
That's the first one that came to my house. Should have checked her car and everything else. That hoe from Port St. Lucie, Florida. That hoe turned her house
Come on,
into a
come on, keep
trap
walking.
house. Me and you can talk, but they keep telling me to keep walking every time we try to talk.
We'll talk in the car, okay?
We ain't gonna talk nowhere. We ain't gonna talk nowhere. I'm sick of this home invasion shit. He don't need to act like he giving me no instructions. He don't just like the motherfucker that showed up. Stop pushing me.
Okay.
Sergeant, what's your name?
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez with the glasses. Yes. He's a just like his partners. Just like his partners. I can't watch him.
See if there's someone we can call to lock her house.
Okay. Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. We're gonna try to get her some mental help, but it's just
She needs Baker Act.
for sure. Yeah, she's got some mental issues going
She
on.
gets dangerous out here, let me tell you.
Yeah, she has 2 warrants, so hopefully those warrants will help her get some mental help through the court system.
We've been this route before for 7 years, but
We're scared to even walk around in front of her yard.
Okay, we're gonna try to help out.
Guys,
Oh, it's locked now.
It's locked. It's
Yeah, it's locked now. Dude, leave me alone.
Do you want phone numbers out of your
Leave
phone?
me alone.
Do you want phone numbers out of your phone?
You are a sheriff. What's your name?
Do you know your phone
What's your
number?
badge name?
Do you know-
What's your badge number?
It's
What's your name?
I can't talk. so
What's
I'm
your
not gonna-
name? What's your badge number?
Maybe you can try to talk to her. You're a racist. You're a racist. You're a racist. So I try to get her some phone numbers, but Sarge, you good?
Oh, you're good.
I'm gonna take off. Thanks, guys.
Don't miss the turn. Turn right here. Don't try to go to some back road. What's your name? What's your name? Now you just going real close to nothing.
Thank God. We're gonna have peace. We're gonna have peace for a little. You have no idea. I'm serious. I got the 20-year restraining order against her.
Yes.
She tripped a lady walking down the street with the dog. Tripped her, an old lady.
Oh, wow.
And the old lady wouldn't press charges because
She was afraid.
She was
would
afraid.
retaliate because
she
she's
attacked
dangerous.
my
She
13-year-old
has-
son that walked by. She attacked him.
Yeah, she has misdemeanor warrants. Hopefully that will help. Mandate she gets like mental help.
She can get her sister or somebody to Baker Act her. We can't do it.
Yeah, no, hopefully that'll help the court system pressure her into some mental help. Obviously, we know she's not the criminal of the year, but you know, we want to get her mental help. So
I know.
that's our goal.
And she does need it. She needs to be on medication. We all agree on that.
Yes.
But you have no idea what it's like to live and the names. If we called her one thing,
Yeah.
though, compared to what she calls us, would have had our butts hauled out of here, and you know.
2 o'clock in the morning, I walk out, walking up and down the street. She's screaming out at me, cussing me out.
I'm sorry you guys have to deal with that. Hopefully this will help the court system push her into mental health court. So
Well, thanks, guys.
And,
Oh,
Appreciate it.
thank you guys. Oh.
They caught her up at Publix last time she got arrested. So.
yeah.
Did you have to make her get dressed? Because she usually runs around naked.
She was luckily one of the deputies. He tried to stop her from going in the house. She inevitably made it into the house,
That's
but
what I thought. They caught her up at Publix last time she got arrested. So.
yeah.
In the end, officers were able to take the woman into custody safely. The situation highlights how unpredictable encounters can become when mental health issues and law enforcement intersect. It's a sobering reminder that behind every warrant, there's a human story, and handling these moments with patience and understanding can make all the difference. In addition to her 2 warrants, Ebony was charged with obstruction and resisting arrest. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.